At AI ML Technology Solutions, we are preparing the students for the future world of artificial intelligence. My name is Alex Seguin, CEO, co-founder of AI ML Technology Solutions. I'm a veteran with engineer background, and I pursued a business degree and have a lot of experience in business, global business management, and AI. My team is composed of myself, Bart, and Pushkar. And Bart and I met at a company called Fluke, where we launched a list of those yellow products. Most notably, we expanded the thermal imaging business into acoustic imaging. On the bottom left, you'll see an image of a product that we achieved $20 million for first-year revenue. Pushkar has advanced Bayesian CNN experience working on breast cancer detection models that have improved standards by 3 years. Our focus is on providing hands-on AI education with fun collaborative projects and a whole platform, including mentors. We all know what AI machine learning applications are. We're starting specifically computer vision because that's our background, and we're enhancing into the other areas of natural language processing, vehicles, and big data marketing. There's a challenge and opportunity ahead because there's limited hands-on AI educational programs with lower complexity to prepare students for the future. Currently, EdTech, specifically in AI, are theory-based, limited participation, globally especially, and then there's limited expertise to rely on for questions and answers. We have a platform that's patent-pending ecosystem that provides hands-on workflow, motivates students with fun projects, and enhances learning with a network of mentors. On the left, you'll see an AI kit. Those are our current offerings. We have 3 different versions. We also have various versions of AI car. Right now, we're prototyping and testing out, getting market feedback on the bottom left, which I'll demo on the next slide. We also have subscriptions. We have app in development, and we have a PC version of our app as well, with plans to get even further into other areas. Here's a 1-minute demo. We're going to see students in our class, actually here in Brooklyn STEAM, for the last 5 weeks, learning about AI education, robotics applications, and we're testing out the knowledge so we can develop our own machine learning models on a tool, for instance, called Teachable Machines. So they develop their own machine learning models and training their own models, both in visual and audio detection. From there, we teach basics of Linux, and I use our Sensor Fusion app where they can capture images and apply and annotate their own images as high school students. What's most important is they can actually do a model that developed and detected themselves, and they can have Python versions of all those features here in the app. They're detecting the deer now, and most notably, we have this car, again, prototype. We sold a few of these already, but they assemble a car, and we have Python running on a tool called Google Coral. So we can inference at 25 to 60 frames a second, and this car is actually following this block, and we can actually go back and establish courses, but it detects and uses a machine learning model to navigate the course. Our ecosystem vision is actually to build students on the left and provide a network for them to teach or learn from the mentors and teachers on the right. On the development side, on the top is our company, and we're collaborating with various partners on the bottom where we can fast track development for these applications. Market opportunity is a SAM of 4,000 US-based STEM schools, charter schools, and engineering schools, and we niche down quite a bit so we can become the household name brand for AI education. AI education competitors and partners actually are here on the left, and you'll see someone like Sphero where they could be a potential competitor, but we're also partnering with them on the first AI integration with a little kit with a little self-driving tank capability. Our competitive advantage is really having an all-in-one ecosystem, having an expanding list of AI projects, and I'll discuss even further how these can expand for adult education as well. Right now, we have 50,000 kits sold. We actually started up in October 2020, so during COVID, and achieving revenue in less than 3 months is critical, but we also have a lot of experience launching new products. What we're finding out is once we have one school in one area, like New York City currently, there's a lot of followers that, it fast tracks the funnel for future development. Again, our future vision on the bottom is to have a hands-on collaborative network of mentors and having projects that are fun, exciting, such as even this Segway-mounted self-driving vehicle that uses weight distribution. And we see this as an option to do higher-end competitions, track and field days, but enabling the students to actually apply their learning knowledge.